Hello everyone, this is Tony's Reviews, and today I'm gonna be reviewing this ASUS ROG Strix Scar 16, and I think this is a good gaming laptop. Now, if you're someone who loves gaming or needs powerhouse performance, I think the laptop is what you need. This isn't just a laptop, in my opinion, it's a performance beast. Just picture this: you're playing your favorite game on a display that brighter, clearer, and more vibrant than anything you ever experienced. The ROG Nebula HDR display on this laptop delivers just that, in my opinion. But it's not just about looks. With the latest Intel Core i9 and the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4090, you're getting the speed and power that out of this world, in my opinion. And if you're like me and aesthetics matter, this car's unique design is a head turner, in my opinion. And yeah, I think ASUS did a really great job with this one, and I highly recommend it.